Hello everyone. In today's video I am going to explain one noun which is forte. Actually it is having two pronunciation. In British English it is forte and in American English it is fort. Again I repeat, spelling is the same but pronunciation is different. In British English it is forte and in American English it is fort. Basically this word is used to describe one's strong point, strength, speciality, expertise or ability. In short, we can describe something that a person can do well. हिंदी में कहा जाए तो कोई चीज़ जिसमें व्यक्ति बहुत एक्सपर्ट हो, निपुण हो और माहिर हो, वो बताने के लिए ये वर्ड यूज़ हो सकता है. Now let's check the examples. Here I have provided some examples and I request you to make one sentence and share in the comment section. I will check it for you. The first one is Subham's main forte is to irritate me. Subham's main forte is to irritate me. Second, internet research is Mehul's forte. बेसिकली इसका मीनिंग ये होगा कि इंटरनेट रिसर्च करने में मेहुल की एक्सपर्टाइज है, वो एक्सपर्ट है वो चीज़ में. ठीक है. थर्ड वन इज हीज फॉर्टे इज सजेस्टिंग इंटेलिजेंट प्रैग्मेटिक सॉल्यूशंस. His forte is suggesting intelligent pragmatic solutions. Fourth, legal matters are not exactly my forte. I am not the right one for legal advices. Legal matters are not exactly my forte. मैं legal advice में expert नहीं हूँ, तो अगर आपको उसके related advice चाहिए तो मैं right person नहीं हूँ. ये इसका meaning होगा. Legal matters are not exactly my forte. I am not the right one for legal advices. Next, professional baking is not her forte. Professional baking is not her forte. If writing is not your forte, you could consider doing more practice. अगर आप राइटिंग में एक्सपर्ट नहीं हो तो आपको उसको ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस करने की ज़रूरत है. उस चीज़ को आपको कंसिडर करना चाहिए. If writing is not your forte, you could consider doing more practice. Last one, bluffing everyone is his forte. Bluffing everyone is his forte. I hope you understand this word and these examples clear all your doubt. So please make one sentence, give your suggestion in comment section, like, share and subscribe my channel.